The Himalayas are one of the most prominent and significant mountain ranges in the world, span across 5 countries: India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Pakistan. This majestic range features some of the planet's highest peaks, including the highest, Mount Everest. The Himalayas stretch over 2,400 kilometers from west to east, bounded by the Indus River in the west and the Brahmaputra River in the east. The range is divided into 3 parallel ranges: the Greater Himalayas Himadri, the Lesser Himalayas Himachal, and the Outer Himalayas Shivalik. Major peaks of Himalayas are Mount Everest, that is 29,029 feet, the highest peak in the world, located on the border between Nepal and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. K2, that is 28,251 feet. The second highest peak, located on the China-Pakistan border, Kangchenjunga, that is 28,169 feet. The third highest peak, located on the border between Nepal and the Indian state of Sikkim. Himalayas formed around 50 million years ago from the collision between the Indian Plate and the Eurasian Plate. This tectonic activity continues, causing the range to rise by about 5 millimeters annually. These mountains are composed primarily of sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. They contain vast reserves of minerals and natural resources, including granite, limestone, and mica. The climate ranges from tropical at the base of the mountains to permanent ice and snow at the highest elevations. The southern slopes receive heavy rainfall from the monsoon winds, while the northern slopes are arid. In winters from December to February, season is cold with heavy snowfall at higher altitudes. In summers from June to September, it is warm with heavy monsoon rains. In spring, March to May, weather is mild and pleasant, ideal for trekking and climbing. In autumn from October to November, there are clear skies and moderate temperatures, also ideal for trekking.